Hey guys, check out these really cool wooden stacking blocks that BUNMO sent us. These blocks are really cool. They come in 3 different sizes. You have the larger size, medium ones, and then smaller ones. And what I really like about these is if you've ever gone on a hike and you come across like a stack, people will stack rocks up, that's what these remind me of. So when my kids first saw them, they're used to see them in nature, they saw them like this and they were so excited to play with them. They absolutely love playing with these blocks. There's so many different options for you to stack them. And I love how it's not just your normal block with 4 different sides. You can go ahead and switch it up, change it up, and they look really cool stacked up. The colors are really nice too. It's really nice to the eye. So besides just stacking them, you can play different games. You can match them by your colors. There's just endless opportunities for these. It's really good for their motor skills since they do have to stack them. It's a little bit trickier, just a normal block. So they have to be a little bit more gentle when they are stacking them. So the quality of these blocks are really nice. I love how it has smooth edges. So there's no sharp spots on there for your little ones. And it is a non-toxic water-based paint, which is always great, especially around your little kids. These are really fun. I love having little competitions like with my kids. My youngest can get like, 2 or 3 of them up. My other ones can make really tall sculptures with them, which is it's just so much fun for the whole family. So if you're looking for really cool wooden stacking blocks, these ones right here are a great option. Thanks for watching.